This is Force 13's Australian Oceania channel for Sunday, the 6th of September, Father's Day. Once again, Biometeorology has various warnings in place. Strong wind warning for the Byron coast. There's also one for the Peninsula and Cooktown coast here in Queensland. Strong wind warning Tasmania, the southwest, central west coast, and for Monday it gets upgraded to a gale warning for the southwest, central west, strong wind warning for the southwest lakes, the far northwest, upper east, lower east, southeast coast. Strong wind warning for the lower west, central and south central coast over there in South Australia. Now we have a look at the latest instability. The winds at the 850 millibars level from 10 a.m. through to 2200 hours tomorrow. And looks like storm activity for some parts of the Australian continent in coming hours. Current temperature at the time of doing this update: Sydney 11, 7 Melbourne 17.5, here in Brisbane 16.5, Perth 12.7, Adelaide 9, in Hobart 0.9 in Canberra. Very cold, and they're looking at a maximum of 17. And Darwin 22.1. And the information is at the top and bottom of the screen, and the purple represents up to at least 90 knots or even higher. Each of these images are free hourly. And this is storm probabilities. Longreach, Charterville, so let's see if we have storm warnings issued later on today.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, ForceThirteen.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force 13 AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.